So hello guys, in this video I will show you another feature is status feature. Okay, so when I click on the status feature, here is all the history for the status you can add or post like. So when you click on the status option, here is the status name is optional, but you can remember what you can upload on status. Like I have a testing purpose, so I will write here is testing status. Okay, here is the message for status. Like I will type the testing status feature in Lion CRM. Okay, visit lioncrm.site. Okay, and I will regenerate this message. So it's a proper check out the status feature on the Lion CRM by visiting lioncrm.site. Okay, so this is the background theme. You can change the background also. For example, I will choose this feature is best, color is best, so I will choose this. And if I want to schedule a status, so right now I will schedule this status for testing purpose. I choose a date and I will choose a time. Right now it's a 5:65, so I will choose on 6:6 and click on create. So it's only in a scheduled options. So if I click on this button, the status is post right now, and if I want to edit, so I will click on the edit option. If I want to remove, so I will remove this like that. I will remove on this, so this message deleted for me. Okay, so I go to here in the 6:6, so I go to status, then the status is automatically sent. So I will wait. I go to here and check the time. It's a 6:6, so I go to again. I go to status feature, so I wait for some time because it's a bot. So I will another choose image. So all we things check. So I go to here and choose a image. Okay, and it's a Lions Tiger CRM. Okay, and right now I will post right now. Okay, and here is the post option is repost the status every 24 hours. Okay, so you not need to post every day, it's automatically posted. So I will click on right now posting. So I will click here and check all the history. It's a posting right now. So this all the things is pending. So I will go to here and check it out. So the first feature is already posted, so I will show you. Like this is the Lion CRM post first and another after the this post. Check out the status feature. Okay, so it's a 6:6 and it's also 6:7. Okay, so you can check the both feature are work perfectly in the status feature. Okay, the next feature is bulk number validator. Like for example, if you have a raw data from you can download from the Google or something like that from just dial, so you can check the WhatsApp number. So first thing, you can create a campaign like a test bulk number validate. Okay, validate, and I will choose a CSV file from my browser, and I choose a file like the name is contacts. Okay, and I choose it's a 2 to 1 contacts numbers found. So I create a campaign. So when I click on start a campaign, I will start a campaign. So it's showing me a valid number, invalid, or total pending number. So I just for the demo purpose I will show you only 5 to 10 numbers for testing purpose, so you can check the number is valid or not. So because I download these numbers from the group, so all this work perfectly. So right now I will pause this campaign, okay, and here is the pause. So you can download the valid numbers and you can download all the numbers. So I download all the numbers, so check there. So here is showing me status like it's a valid or it's a pending, okay, so you can check it out. So this is working perfectly, and thank you so much for this video. If you have any question regarding the bulk number validator and the status feature, so you can comment down on YouTube video. Thank you so much.